Welcome to your living room. So in your living room comes with an IKEA couch. You can choose the fabric of the couch, the color. It does have storage, so you can put a lot of stuff, blankets underneath, anything you want to store. This sofa does turn into a queen size bed in case you have family or friends that want to come over. You can easily put it out, and then you can put it away in less than 1 second. Your number one comes with a big picture window, so if you have it right next to the ocean like we do, you can enjoy the ocean view outside. So there's 2 windows throughout right here. We do give you a USB outlet, so if you're charging your phone, you can comfortably, just hook it up to USB. We do have your mini split right here. This is like one of the most best parts of the tiny house. Just grab your controller and then you can heat up the house or you can cool it down. This house, this mini split is rated for over 600 square feet. The tiny house is only 200 square feet average, so it's gonna heat it up or cool it down in a really short time. We also give you a TV. It's a swivel TV, so you can swivel it back and forth wherever you want it, and it even goes up a little bit too if you want. We do have the outlets for convenience. We have the outlet in the back, so there's no cables dangling down or anything. And the best part too is that we have your fan up here. You can choose if you want a chandelier or a fan from the Home Depot. Another cool option that you guys get to choose for no additional price. You guys could choose if you guys want shiplap, which is going to make the house look white and spacious. You guys can choose if you want a blue pine, which is going to give it a beautiful natural cabin feel, or you guys can choose the combo as this house has. So what it is that all the walls are white with shiplap, and the ceiling is brown with blue pine, and it just gives it this beautiful luxury feel as well. And then you guys could put a little center table as you want, decorate it, shade, do whatever you guys want to your living room.